mia bisciaolo ite va, chi te viene sempre baccalare del mare bene. Se ci picchia quando si è baccalare, picchia me. Oh mamma.
Today we're going to be going down to Brands Hatch for Festival Italia to see what other Abarths we can see. We're just on our way to Ferrari Services, where we're going to meet up with the rest of the Abarths Essex Club. We're going to be convoying with them to Brands Hatch. I hope you can hear me, this thing's quite loud. And there's the first one we've seen today. There we go, second one of the day, we're only 5 minutes into the journey. Just arrived at Ferrari Services to meet up with the rest of the Abarths Essex Club before we convoy down to Brands Hatch with the rest of everyone. So we've just got inside at Brands Hatch. We're just making our way to the stand part now with the rest of the Abarth. It's really busy here already. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet, and there's cars everywhere, all sorts. We've got Ferraris, Alphas, Fiats, Abarths, Lamborghini. Looks like it's going to be a good show. So here we are, we've arrived at Brands Hatch. We're surrounded by a sea of Abarths. They're literally everywhere. We're going to take a walk around, see some of the cool cars that are here, and hopefully chat with a few people and find out what modifications they've done to their vehicles. Okay, so we're just having a walk around in the Abarth area. As you can see, they're absolutely everywhere, all different variations, all sorts of modifications. You've got cars here with a Lamborghini style scissor doors. We've got this one here. Look how low it is. We thought our car was low. This one's obviously on air ride, but it looks really, really nice. You've got all these other modified ones along here, different induction kits, different exhausts, different wheels. We've got everything here. We're going to take a proper look at some of these cars now and see what modifications we can see. Loads of the cars here have got different suspension options with coilovers and springs, but I'm here with Lucy, who's got something a little bit special on her car she's going to show us. What is it you got on there, Lucy?
So I've decided to go for air ride suspension.
Okay, that's cool. So you can make it go up and down, yeah?
I can.
Give us a little demonstration.
Okay.
That's really cool. So you can park it nice and low and then drive around as normal. You don't have to worry about speed bumps or anything.
You wouldn't know.
That's really good. And where's the tank? In the boot?
Tank's in the boot.
Can we see?
Yep. So the tank's just here, and then everything is built underneath the floor.
So it's all hidden away?
It's all hidden away. So I've got the compressor and then the management all hidden away underneath the full floor.
Okay, that's really nice. And you've got the controller just at the front there?
Yeah,
so.
controller at the front.
That's nice. Really good. Thanks very much for showing us. Cheers. I'm here with Nicole. She's going to show us her car. Lovely little Abarth here. What you got on there? Show us.
Well, there's quite a lot. I think the first thing that I kind of did big was to change the wheels in chrome. Everyone likes to do chrome their Abarths, but I
add
like
some more chrome, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it looks good.
I've got a boot build in here, which has like an Alcantara bit in the middle, and that was done by Rutherford's design.
That's really nice.
I've also got a new exhaust as well.
So what exhaust is that?
Let me get this right. It's the SS500R track version, but it's been fabricated to have a valve
Oh, okay.
So it has a remote and it's vacuum controlled.
Nice.
So it can be quiet and loud.
So you don't have to cause too much trouble with the neighbours.
I've also got, this is the new surprise.
Ah, the big brakes, lovely.
Yeah, big brakes. So the discs are 330s and they're also floating as well. So I've got MTC intake hose. I've got the Biposto alloy.
The oil filler cap,
I've also got a Bonaloom switchable down there.
Okay, yeah, I see.
But yeah, I've also got this custom airbox cover as well.
That's really nice, to match the paint as well,
But that's really all I've done.
Thank you for showing us your car. We're now going to have a look at some of the Abarth Punto and Abarth Evo areas. Obviously, we sell all of these parts on Purdue Performance as well. It's just not as common as the Abarth 500s. As you can see, I'm surrounded by 124 spiders. It's really nice to see these cars here, as at Purdue Performance, we often see the 500 Abarth, but less of these.
Porte casune con un stemma a rete, una cuppulella che vi si era alzata, passa scampanianna pattuleta, con mano a papà te fa guardare. Tu fa l'americano, americano, americano, senta a me chi tu fa. Tu vuoi vivere alla moda, ma se bevi.
So obviously we're here to look at the Abarths, but while we're here it'd be rude not to do some Ferrari spotting, wouldn't it? Let's go have a look.
Gioca a baseball, fai sorte per camella, ti devi dare la borsetta di mamma, tu fa l'americano, americano, americano.
There's so many beautiful cars here. We've got from modern Ferraris all the way back to some really cool classics. As much as I love our Abarth development car, I think it might be time that we move over to a Ferrari development car. Even though we've got so many of the same model car here, it's so nice to see so many variations on modifications. Even along this row, there's no bonnets open, so I can't see any engine modification. But you've got different front lips, different number plates, different style bonnets. There's so many different modifications, it's great to see. So we've had a great day here at Festival Italia. There's been so many cool cars to see, especially all the Abarths, and we've enjoyed looking at the supercars around by the track as well, and even some of the cars out on track. Definitely recommend this show next year.